In this video, I am going to show you how to create Facebook group. Well, this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your Facebook application. Now tap your profile and then scroll down and look for groups. Click this one here and you can see here for you, beside for you, we have your groups. All you have to do is to tap this one, or you can just tap directly this plus icon here and then tap this create group. So think of a name or think the name of your group. For example, I am going to name my group as Team 101. Or choose your privacy. You can choose private or public. Then tap create group. Now, as you can see, creating group, you can now add your members here. Okay, so tap your friends that you want to add to your group or you want to send invitation. As you can see here, the person you selected was invited. And then now you can upload cover photo. You can add your gallery or you can also take a picture if you want. And then you just have to click that picture and save. But you can also add a description if you want. Describe your group. Choose your goals. You can choose meet people, plan, coordinate, give and get support. Everything is up to you. Then click next. Now you can also create a post or you can just add pictures, create a post, or you can just continue later. Okay, click confirm. So here it is. Here's your new group. And also add people or invite people to this group. You can create, share, create an event or pin group. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.